So this is just a quick video. Over the last couple of days, we've had a problem with call tools and my call center being in the Philippines and them being able to access it. So I figured out a solution was to download this software called Zwiper, and turns your computer into a soft phone, and it also allows you to use your cell phone to use call tools, which call tools natively does not do. So check out this video. It's me and Ali on our call training. If you are part of VI Consulting, make sure you make sure you subscribe so you get the next videos that come out. Anybody else, we appreciate a like and subscribe. But this is just our free trainings we're gonna give to everyone else. As y'all see everything else coming on my phone. All right, enjoy the video. All right, so I think I figured out what was wrong with call tools, and I think it had to do with using the web phone. So when you talk to them, did they explain to you about how to set the VoIP phone?
No.
When they told you to download Zopier, what did they tell you?
Well, they just sent me a copy of the download or where to download the file and then a video how to run it.
Okay, so they didn't give you any help whatsoever. Okay.
Hmm.
All right. So can you see my screen now?
Yes.
All right. So let me do this. I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna. You already clicked the link that you gave me for Zopier, and I'm gonna download the Mac version, which I have. Choose the free one, download, and yep, I want to keep it. What type of phone do you have?
Oh, do you mean an Android? I have.
Android? Okay.
Hmm.
So now it's finished downloading. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Continue, continue, agree. Yep, installed on here. Continue. Now, the installation, of course, is going to be different on a PC than it is on a Mac. All right, so now that it's installed, yep, go ahead and move that to trash. I'm going to go ahead and open the app and see if I have to set it up from the beginning or if it's already done. All right. And then, nope, I want to continue as a free user because I'm not trying to pay for it. All right. So it already saved my credentials in here. So I was hoping that it wouldn't have, but I'll show you exactly where to get the information from.
Hmm.
On the setup screen, let me go back to seat one. Seat one and sign in. Up here, you want to go click the.
You are now connected to the Predictive Dialer.
Uh-oh. Log out. No, not log out. Connection method. Setting. No, no, no. Jeez, I didn't mean to hit that.
You are now connected to the Predictive Dialer.
Connection method. Um, External VoIP phone. And then I come over here where it says not connected. You click the question mark, and this is all your credentials. So when you're setting it up, it's going to identify what type of connection you have. Most likely, it's going to be a SIP connection.
Hmm.
And then in here, let me see, go to add. This functionality more features. Click a little more. I Is it not letting me add another account? All right, so let me see if I can delete this account. Yes. All right, if I delete that account, all right, so this actually takes you back to the start. So my username and login, I come over here. This is my username right here.
Mhm.
And I'm going to come paste that in there. And then my password is the password for the account. And then it's asking me for the domain for the server. That's this right here. And nope, I don't want the optional thing. And this is going to search for the type of server configuration. So this is SIP. So I already know that's all I need. So I'm just going to go ahead and click next.
Mhm.
So now my account is set up. And from that point, all you're going to do is come on here. You can hit dial the star sign 00.
You are now connected to the Predictive Dialer.
Oh, okay.
And now it's just a matter of going into call tools to set up the campaign.
So it will automatic. It's the same as the call tools.
So, say that one more time.
It's automatic, or it's the process is the same as call tools. Like we will get a call from a predictive dialer or automatic call.
Yep, it's the same exact thing. Only difference is you're using the softphone. Now that's for somebody doing it on a computer. So remember I asked you if there's a way to do it on your cell phone. So now I'm going to show you the same thing. This is you can download the app on your Android as well. Can you see my phone screen?
Yep.
All right. So if I come into the App Store, you come in and there's two different ones, ZYP, Zoiper.
Hmm.
Make sure you get the free one, the light. So I'm going to go ahead and open mine. And let me see if I can do the same thing. Um, delete this one, delete accounts. All right, so now let me come set up. Um, manual. Hold on, this thing is in the way for me to see. Uh-oh. All right, so I'm going to select manual configuration. Oh, no wonder it's trying to get. Uh-oh. Hold on, I got to start that over.
Okay.
Delete. In order for you to do it, I got to do a new screen recording. Not screen recording. New movie recording. And then set my phone. But I got to change my microphone to my MacBook. All right, so that should have everything taken care of. All right, so I'll go back to the beginning. In the accounts, hit plus.
Hmm.
You already have a username and password. Yes, I do. Select provider, note manual configuration. I already know it's a SIP account. The account name is just what you make it. So I'm going to make this seat one call tools. The domain, again, you come back and get that information here. SIP
Hmm.
one, oops, SIP one dot CALTOS dot com. And then what was that? 61452, 61452. My username is C underscore 4088 underscore A underscore 44450. Password. Is it not showing the screen?
It's showing.
Okay. And then for the call ID, do I have to set that? Because I didn't set on the other one. Let me see if it'll let me do it without it. No. So I guess for the call ID, I just put in my old number, 609-835-1962. Is that the reason it wouldn't let me request timeout? Is it because I'm logged in with this one?
I
Oh,
think so.
yes, because I'm logged in here. So this one is Vapor quit. All right, so now let me see if I took that phone number out, if it'll let me log in. Nope. So it's 835-1963. Okay, and it's still not letting me in. Oh, no wonder I put the wrong number in. You didn't see where I put that wrong, Ollie? It's supposed to be 61452.
Oh, it's 6-1.
Yep, I put 7. Okay, so let me
Oh,
try it again when I take
okay.
that out.
There.
And I believe, okay, got it. All right, so now I'm done with that. Now I go back to the phone. Let me go ahead and it's PAL, it's *00 to dial in to the dialer.
hmm
So now hit
hmm
that, hit call. All right, so let me call my wife and see if she answers. 856-304-5646. And I think it might be because I'm recording the screen. So everything is set up. You'll see it's already in
hmm
there, and I think it already called her. But that's how you can set up so you can make the phone calls from your cell phone.
Okay. So what if we get a call? So it will show on the call tools as well. So we have to pull up the call tools website as well.
Yeah, so you have to be logged on call tools online on the website. It's just for using your phone is like your phone is the actual dial thing. You use it on there,
hmm
but everything, all the data and stuff, you're going to do on here.
Oh, okay, got it. But then if we let's just say there's a voicemail, so we have to hang out. Is it on the other app, which is
No,
Viper?
everything is still done on the dollar. So once you do it through your phone and once you do it through the other app, all you're doing is using that for the phone calls. At that point, everything else is done right on here.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay. All right. I think it's good. I think that's a perfect one, or the better one, rather.
Yep, I like it because it allows me, like when I dial yesterday I was getting some latency. Like it wasn't when I was calling people, they couldn't barely hear me, and
Mhm.
it was a like an echo effect. But when I tried it from my phone last night with my wife, it was damaged like being on the telephone. Thank y'all for taking the time to watch. This, of course, was not my most professional video, and the next one probably won't be either. But I hope y'all got the information you needed, and I will try to remember that I'm actually recording for a video, and I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Anyway, I'll let y'all later. Peace.